If you're after a deliciously simple and spicy recipe to make this week, then this one is for you. Tender chicken cooked in a rich and spicy arrabbiata sauce, made with our chili and garlic flavor booster for a quick and easy burst of flavor, then fold it into penne pasta. It's simple and oh, it's so delicious. To begin, add the Napolina olive oil followed by the chicken, then season with salt and pepper to your taste, and fry until cooked through. Next, add a little more olive oil, then toss in the onions and sweat over a medium heat until softened. Add in the Napolina polpa tomatoes followed by the star of the show, the Napolina chili and garlic flavor booster. Then mix together, then add the oregano and season with salt and pepper to taste, then mix again over a simmering heat. Finally, add in the cooked Napolina penne pasta, followed by the chicken, Parmigiano Reggiano, a ladle of pasta water and some fresh parsley. Then fold together until all the pasta is coated in the rich tomato sauce. Then serve in 2 bowls topped with some extra Parmigiano Reggiano and a little more fresh parsley, and enjoy! Buon appetito!